In this lesson, we're going to create our fields in our table. I'm going to go up to the View drop-down arrow, and from View, I'm going to go into Design View. It's going to ask me to name the table, so I'm going to call this Students. So we have the Students database, and we also have a Students table. I'm going to hit OK, and this is what Design View looks like. Now notice by default it does give us a primary key, and the data type is called auto number. I'm going to go ahead and change this, and actually for right now I'm going to put Social Security number underneath it. So I'm going to type in a field called SSN, or Social Security number. Every field has to have a data type. Social Security number is a short text field, and the reason it's short text is because it has hyphens in it. So don't automatically assume that Social Security number is a numeric field. I next want to make Social Security number the primary key, because remember, the primary key is a field that uniquely identifies a record. So I'm going to go ahead and click on primary key right now, and now we've made Social Security number the primary key. I'm going to go ahead and delete out the old ID because we no longer need it. So I just right click on the gray box next to it and click delete rows, and now we've deleted out the ID field. Underneath Social Security number, I'm going to add first name, that'll be short text, last name, fix that, city, state, zip code, address. I'll put phone number, I'll put major here, I have a major field. We'll have gender as another field, and we'll also add a birth date. Now birth date is going to be a data type of date and time. Notice most of our fields are short text, so we're going to choose date and time. I'm going to add a field called credits. And credits is going to be numeric, so we'll put number here. And I'll add another field called quality points. That's also going to be a number field. And that's how we add fields into a database and assign them with a data type. And again, remember that most of our fields are typically going to be short text. Just take a look again and notice that Social Security number is a short text field. Zip code is short text because we have a zip +4 now, so there's a hyphen in there. And phone number is also short text because we have potentially parentheses and hyphens in phone number. The way you want to look at numeric fields is if you're going to use that field to calculate something, such as a cost field or credits in this case, because with credits we calculate your tuition. Anything that we would use to calculate typically would be numeric. We don't calculate with phone number, we don't calculate with Social Security number, and we don't calculate with zip code. Therefore, they're short text fields.